And just because the 4th of July is over, it doesn't mean fireworks are over. Fireworks are a major part of any 4th of July celebration, but the loud noises and flashing colors can lead to fear, panic, and anxiety for our four-legged friends. And even after the 4th of July, you'll still be able to hear some of those fireworks. Lexington Fayette Animal Care and Control is sharing some tips with us this morning for your pets. As they say, distracting your pets is the best way to keep them calm. Experts also say it's important to make sure your pet has some type of identification in case it gets lost, which is much easier to track down, something like a name tag or microchip.
In June, we've actually had almost 600 animals come in. So there is a lot of animals out there, and especially these loud noises they're getting out. They're absolutely terrified. We want to be able to reunite them outside of the shelter if possible.
And Hamilton says of those 600 animals that she mentioned, only 14% were able to be reunited with their owners, which is why she's encouraging those name tags and microchips.